Welcome to day 3 of becoming a solutions architect in 60 days. For those who are just joining us, I am Paulina Ada, a solutions architect guiding you step by step on this journey. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Today we are diving into the AWS Management Console and exploring its layout and features by the end of today. By the end of today, you will be familiar with navigating the console and ready to start exploring AWS services. How do you understand the AWS Management Console? So, when you log into the AWS Management Console, you see the dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your AWS resources. Here is what you need to know. 1. Regions. AWS has multiple regions worldwide. Each region is independent and allows you to reduce latency and comply with the local regulations. For example, I use North Virginia, US is one because it offers the widest range of services. You can choose your preferred regions based on your locations and project requirements. 2. Account menu. This menu includes key features like billing and cost management, where you will track your spenders, and security credentials, where you will manage your root account settings. 3. Services. The service menu lists all the AWS services grouped by category. For example, under compute, you will find EC2, which we will use later to launch our virtual service. You can star any service you use frequently to make them appear on top of the menu. You can use the search bar for easy and quick location of any services or features in AWS. Let's practice navigating the console. Now, log in into AWS Management Console with your root credentials. Explore the services menu and familiarize yourself with the categories. Use the search bar to find EC2, S3, and RDS, and start these services to add them to your favorites. Open the billing dashboard from the account menu to see where you track your spendings.